Click on the link below to get price. The Heybike Ranger 2.0 electric bike is a remarkable offering for adults seeking both versatility and power in their cycling experience. With its peak 1400W motor, this e-bike delivers impressive performance, allowing riders to tackle steep hills and rough terrain with ease. The motor provides smooth acceleration and a top speed of around 28 miles per hour, making it suitable for a variety of riding styles, whether you're commuting or enjoying a leisurely ride on the weekend. One of the standout features of the Ranger 2.0 is its robust build quality. The frame is made from durable aluminum alloy, ensuring it can withstand the rigors of daily use. The bike is also equipped with a front suspension fork that absorbs shocks effectively, contributing to a more comfortable ride over uneven surfaces. Additionally, the 20-inch fat tires offer excellent traction and stability, which is particularly beneficial for off-road adventures. The battery life on the Ranger 2.0 is commendable, boasting a capacity that allows for a range of approximately 40 miles on a single charge, depending on riding conditions and modes. The removable battery design adds convenience, as it can be charged separately from the bike. This feature is particularly useful for urban riders who may not have access to charging stations. Another highlight of the Heybike Ranger 2.0 is its user-friendly design. The bike comes with adjustable seat height and handlebars, allowing for a customizable riding position. Moreover, the built-in LCD display provides vital information such as speed, battery level, and distance traveled, ensuring riders stay informed throughout their journey. Safety is also a priority, as evidenced by the inclusion of front and rear disc brakes that deliver reliable stopping power. The bike's integrated lights enhance visibility during nighttime rides, adding an extra layer of security. In summary, the Heybike Ranger 2.0 is an excellent choice for those seeking a powerful, comfortable, and reliable electric bike that can handle both city streets and rugged trails. Its impressive motor, sturdy construction, and thoughtful features make it a worthy investment for any cycling